Hi friends, this is Oppo A83. You can see now the Oppo phone unboxing. See the information about this. Touch 3 GB RAM and the battery, full screen 5.7 inches battery. This we can see this battery backup, and we can see the price of this, and I will show unboxing for this. Friends, this is Oppo. I will say unboxing with you. I will open this box. See, I am opening this box. First of all, this is a box, and we should break the screen. I break it and opening. The box is Oppo. We can see this breaking and open, and this. See, we can observe this phone now clearly. This is Oppo phone. I can see clearly now. We keep it aside, and this is Oppo phone cover. And next we will see what they give. They provide one case for us. See, we can see this, the case of the Oppo. The quality also is nice. This is a case for this case.